Good morning, students. How are you all? Welcome back to SST class. Myself, Sijo, your SST teacher. Welcome back once again. Today, I will teach you lesson number 2, the part of civics, diversity and discrimination. Today, I talking about prejudice and stereotypes. Let's go. Dear students, our country is diverse in terms of religion, culture, language, food habits, festivals, etc. Sometimes we also make a lot of fun and we use different languages and skin color also plenty of different. हम आज सिविक्स का लेसन 2 हम पढ़ेंगे डाइवर्सिटी एंड डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. What is prejudice? What do we understand by prejudice? The prejudice means पूर्व धारणा और पक्षपात, भेदभाव और हानि. Prejudice means आज से preconceived opinion which is forward without any reason or actual experience. Prejudice means a preconceived opinion which is formed without any reason or actual experience. इसका मीन का अर्थ ये होती है पूर्व निर्धारित विचार जो बिना किसी कारण या वास्तविक अनुभव के बनता है. Another meaning that prejudice means prejudging an individual's activity or situation without actually having first hand knowledge of the fact of about them. मीन्स ये अर्थ ये होती है पूर्व निर्धारित विचार जो बिना किसी कारण या वास्तविक अनुभव के बनता है. Prejudice. One example is there. Okay, I will give one of two examples. When we judge someone or have an idea about him before we actually know anything about him. When we judge someone or have an idea about him before we actually know anything about him, it is prejudice. It is a जब हम किसी एक का न्याय करते हैं या उसके बारे में हम बुरा करते हैं और विचार करते हैं इससे पहले कि हम वास्तव में उसके बारे में कुछ भी नहीं जानता, ये कहता है prejudice. Prejudice means a preconceived opinion which is formed without any reason or actual experience. The prejudice means to judge other people negatively or see them as inferior. Next, prejudice can be due to various causes. One of the basic causes of prejudice are ignorance and lack of sensitivity. इसका मूल कारण अश्रद्धा और संवेदनशीलता की कमी है. Many factors that cause one's prejudice is people's spiritual life and beliefs, their cultural background, their social skills and performance, the region they come from, their economic background, physical characteristics, taste, interest or habits and hobbies and so on. लोगों की आध्यात्मिक आस्था, उनकी सांस्कृतिक पृष्ठभूमि, उनके सामाजिक कौशल और पसंद, वे जिस क्षेत्र से आते हैं उनकी आर्द्रिक पृष्ठभूमि, भौतिक विशेषताएं, स्वाद, रुचि या शौक एक्सेट्रा. the background physical artist, taste, interest, or hobbies, and so on. Sometimes, due to our prejudices about other, we became hurtful in our behavior. It is therefore important to understand people and their ways of life rather than becoming judgmental about them. कभी कभी हम दूसरों को बारे में हमारा प्रेजुडिस के कारण हम अपने व्यवहार में आहत हो जाते हैं। एक उनके बारे में निर्णय लेने के बजाय लोगों और उनके जीवन के तरीकों समझने के लिए महत्वपूर्ण होती है। वेज फॉर लाइफ रादर दैन बिकमिंग एंड जजमेंटल अबाउट them. Okay, and what do we understand by prejudice? The basis of unfavorable opinion formed about something or someone without examination of fact is called prejudice. Prejudice means preconceived opinion which is formed without any reason or actual experience. Okay, next we are going to study what are stereotypes. What are stereotypes? टकसाली और शुद्ध प्रारूप. Okay, the word stereotypes is derived from the Greek word stereos. It is meaning firm. Firm means dryad and solid. Stereotypes are widely held beliefs about people. This words derived from the Greek word stereos means firm, dryad or solid, dos, shuddh, etc. Stereotypes is the one of the serious problems caused by prejudice is the creation of stereotypes. Example, when we fit all persons of a particular group into one fixed image, which may be imagined or observed, we create a stereotype. सबसे बड़ा कारण है कि होने वाली गंभीर समस्याओं में से एक रुधियों का निर्माण है. When we fit all person of particular group, we fit people to certain image, we create a stereotype. जब हम किसी विशेष समूह के सभी व्यक्तियों को निश्चित छवि में फिट करते हैं जिसकी कल्पना या अवलोकन किया जा सकता है, तो हम एक स्टीरियोटाइप बनाता है. A stereotype is a fixed general image of a person or thing. What is means of stereotype? A stereotype is a fixed general image of a person of thing. मतलब एक स्टीरियोटाइप ये होती है किसी व्यक्ति या चीज़ की एक निश्चित सामान्य छवि होती है, इसका हम कहते हैं स्टीरियोटाइप्स. स्टीरियोटाइप इज ए फिक्स्ड जनरल इमेज ऑफ ए पर्सन और थिंग. एक स्टीरियोटाइप किसी व्यक्ति या चीज़ की एक निश्चित सामान्य छवि है. Label people as cunning, lazy, criminal or naive on the basis of region, religion, sex, race or economic background is stereotyping. क्षेत्र और धर्म, लिंग, नस्ल या आर्थिक पृष्ठभूमि के आधार पर लोगों को चालक, आलसी, अपराधी या बोलो को रूप में लेबल करना धर्मांतरण है. The lazy, criminal, naive, or basis religion, sex, race, or economic background, stereotyping, etc. It is not fair to stereotype certain section of the society based how people from that section behave that we perceive the behavior. One example is there. हम इसके बारे में एक एग्जाम्पल के बारे में देखेंगे. We must look at each person as a unique individual with their own special qualities and skills. We should not try to fit large number of people into one pattern or type.